Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A1. Just turn that down a second. First thing we do, we click on telephone here. Now with the Audi system, there's 4 buttons around this rotary control, and each of the 4 buttons correspond to whatever instruction is in the corners. So for instance there, you've got settings, so you would click that one. But it says search for a new mobile. There's nothing connected. So first of all, we'll go to settings, go to Bluetooth, watch out at the bottom for Bluetooth, and then we'll click, see there, can't move it, search for new mobile phone, click. Please check the Bluetooth is activated on your mobile phone. Well, it is, and discoverability is switched on. Again, that is. But just to check that, if you were to click settings in the bottom right hand corner, click settings, and just click settings again, sorry, and then down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, and there we have discoverability, and it's switched on. So right, we need to go back, so click back again, search for new mobile phone, yes, continue, yes. We know that Bluetooth is switched on, discoverability switched on. So waiting for it to show up on the phone or the screen here. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, so it showed up on the screen here. It's highlighted, we click OK, hands-free, click OK again. The connection's been established. Please wait. It's generated its own random PIN code. Does it match? 780418, well it's going to, so we click pair there and yes there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And it's being established. The connection's been established. You'll see there the map showed up. That's always a good sign that it's connected. And then let's just, we'll go to the top and just see Barry's and Audi MM connected. So that's it done.